really need an expensive camera to take decent quality images? Is it possible to do on a budget? Well, I thought actually I'd put that to the test. So I travelled 9,000 miles to photograph a supermodel with a £500 camera. Well, it seemed a good idea at the time. Okay, so this is a tale that's about as British as a cup of tea with a king. Picture this as you will. My client needs me over 9,423 miles away over to Dubai. Yes, Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. That's all the way to the middle of the East, my friends, with all the noble intention of shooting a video interview with a supermodel. And while I'm there, I think to myself, I can't miss this opportunity, can I? I can't miss the opportunity of taking a portrait of a person so inspirational they could motivate a sloth to do a marathon. But viewers, it's a slight snag in the grand plan. You see, with all the kit a pro photographer has, I'd be lugging piles of Pelly cases to the airport, and then I'd have to register them in as aircraft luggage into the aircraft hold, fragile items of course. But wait, there is another way. Because if you have experience, knowledge and confidence, main thing is confidence in your own ability, then really all you need to take is one thing. So what did I carry for this epic portrait adventure? One single camera, that's what. One light as a feather and cheap as chips. What camera is all things to all people? Well, a Nikon Z6, that's what. And at £500 on the second-hand market, that's the deal of the century. Paired with an 85 1.8mm lens, it hung around my neck like the kind of bling a rapper would be proud of. And I was heading to the centre of influencer land to photograph an inspirational woman. Who was I shooting? Well, meet Deana. Deana's a film star, supermodel, film producer, influencer and entrepreneur. A philanthropist as well, no less. If you think you might have seen her before, just rewind your Big Brother collection. You might just spot her in there. Okay, so look, I've decided to take one camera, 9,000 miles, to do a shoot with a supermodel. What could possibly go wrong? Don't worry. Look, when you possess the divine powers of light control and image composition, who needs those 10K cameras, eh? I simply waltzed in armed with experience and knowledge, and I was ready to capture a portrait with all the swagger of James Bond sipping a shaken not stirred martini. I can already hear the vaporous rising from the collective swooning of camera snubs. Why didn't he bring a top-of-the-range Z9 to a shoot like that? I can hear them lamenting now. For I valiantly stood my ground. I was armed with my 500 quid pre-loved Nikon, and I was confident. I think. It's not the size of your equipment, but how you use it that matters. And oh my gosh, did we create some portraits. I was really pleased with them. The model has looks that would make the Mona Lisa consider a career change, so it was going to be easy anyway. Now, as I basked in the glory of my photographic triumph, I couldn't help but revel in the sheer satisfaction deep inside here of proving those camera snobs wrong. You see, when you have knowledge, light and composition are yours. They're yours as tools. You can use them. A camera's price tag becomes nothing more than frivolous detail. This was a victory for the underdogs of the photography world, rebels armed with affordable equipment. You know, you can do it if you have knowledge. But what did my portrait look like when I was done? Well, my portraits, they looked exactly like this. have to say, I'm rather pleased with them. I do hope Deana likes them too. Deana, please leave me a comment if you like them. And you'll have to check if Deana did leave that comment just down in the comments. If you're there, you can leave a comment yourself. And if you like these pictures, Deana, my name is Phil Riley of Riley Photos. But if you don't like them, my name's Peter McKenna. No, it's not. I'm not Peter McKenna. That's just a joke. I'm Phil Riley, warts and all. And with that, my dear friends, I bid you adieu. Remember to keep calm and keep shooting, regardless of what the naysayers might huff and puff about. Yes, if you did enjoy my bitterly cold delivery and a sweeping sarcasm, here's an idea. A subscribe button. Yeah, because it's free. Who doesn't like something that's free? Just subscribe, and if you enjoyed this romp through Dubai, you might enjoy the next one too. And oh, if you are one of Deana's followers, then thank you for watching. Please feel free to share the video and spread the photography love. Now, Dubai was a great shoot, but if South America is your thing, well, let me tell you, there were some great portraits to be had there. And in this next video, I'm going to show you the ultimate technique for stunning natural portraits. Unbelievable. Go on, check it out.